Hi Gipsters, today is Tuesday, October 13th. It is day 35 and we are reading chapter 21 of Fever today. So you should have already completed our do now, where it says, in chapter 20, Maddie found a small girl whose mother died of yellow fever. If you were Maddie, what would you do next? So think about what would you do if you were in the same situation as Maddie. Now we're on the intro to the lesson. Maddie's going to walk around with this young girl that she found, looking for help. While she's looking for help, she's going to see someone she thinks she recognizes. As she's following that person, she's going to pass by a tavern. So when you see this picture, it's her passing by a tavern. A tavern is a bar. The people outside the tavern in this chapter are pretty drunk. They're rowdy, which means that they're loud, noisy, and they're not going to have a great interaction with Maddie. Maddie's going to keep going, and she's going to try to find that person she recognizes. In the course of doing that, she's going to find herself going into a house with yellow rags tied outside. Remember that when there's a yellow rag tied outside of the house, that means that somebody inside has the yellow fever. So she's going into the house of someone with yellow fever. Finally, at the end of the chapter, there's going to be a big reunion. Maddie's going to find somebody that she knows. So pay attention for this picture right here. As always, as you're reading, you're highlighting or underlining for the key events of the chapter. There's audio on the side for you to listen to hear the chapter, and questions on the side for you to answer to check your understanding. You also have your gist so that you can check your understanding of each section and then go back and reread if you miss something. Once you get to the end, make sure that you're clicking on the link to complete your exit ticket.